Good morning, students. First of all, I want to thank you all for the good wishes of Teachers' Day. We are also lucky that we have a students like you. So, before starting today's work, I would like to tell you about the Teachers' Day and why we celebrate and when do we have started celebrating Teachers' Day. So the picture you are watching on your screen is of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and he was our first vice president and the second president. He was a great literature and teacher in his life, and the line he said is very close to my heart, that is, true teachers are those who help us to think for ourselves. Teachers are not only the teacher who is teaching you the academics and these things, but they also tell you the things relatable to your life, how to communicate, how to behave, how to become a good personality, and how to achieve good in your life. Another most important thing is to know that whenever we think we know everything, we cease to learn, means we stop learning. We think we know everything. Okay, so whenever every person has the scope of improvement, including me, including you, and any of the person in this life existing. So I will tell you when he was born. He was born on 5 September, and that's why we celebrate in India his birthday as a Teachers' Day, because he motivate the people. He asked to the people that do not celebrate my birthday, instead celebrate my birthday as a Teachers' Day, and that will be a great honor for him. So that's why we celebrate Teachers' Day since 1962 to till now. And we teachers are really happy that you have a soft corner for your teachers, and you pay attention towards your teacher, and you are really obedient to us, and we are also lucky that we have a student like you. Few pictures that my students have sent me, I will show you. So thank you very much, students. I really appreciate your efforts for all of us. And let's begin our today's topic, chapter 4, acids, base and salt. So you know that we have discussed a worksheet yesterday, and today again we are discussing the same chapter and the another worksheet, the part of chemistry, acids, salts and base. This is for today's work, and yesterday we have revised worksheet 1. Now today we are proceeding to worksheet 2. So question number 1, we have classify the following substances that are acids or bases. So first of all, they have given us tomato juice. So yesterday also I told you tomato juice is an acidic substance. Then tamarind juice, that is also, tamarind means imli, खट्टी होती है, तो it means it is also acid. So for acids I am writing here A. You can also solve this worksheet. If you have printer in your home, you can download it. I have sent you the PDF and you can solve on it. If you do not have, then you can note down it in your notebook and you can write the answers as well. Curd, दही, ये भी थोड़ी खट्टी होती है, तो it means it also contain acid. Then टूथपेस्ट, नो, टूथपेस्ट इज अ बेस. हम टूथपेस्ट क्यों अप्लाई करते हैं? सो दैट हमारे माउथ की जो एसिडिसिटी है उसको मेंटेन रख सके. अगर माउथ में एसिडिटी बढ़ जाएगी या माउथ का एसिडिक लेवल इंक्रीज होगा, देन वी विल हैव टूथ डीके. तभी कहते हैं कि जो स्वीट थिंग्स है उनको कम खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विद amylase, they also secrete acidic substance. Then you have soap solution. This already I told you, it is basic and it contain KOH, potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Then रो मैंगोज, रो मतलब कच्चे, तो मैंगोज में भी आपके पास क्या होता है, टार्टरिक एसिड, and tamarind also contain tartaric acid, so mangoes are also acidic substance. So in first question we have only two bases and rest all are the acidic in nature. Now next we have question number 2. Question number 2 we have some acids, base and salts are commonly used in our daily life. This we all know. We use these acids in our daily life. Find out the names of substance. Specify whether they are acidic, basic, salt in their nature and write their uses. So in this students you need to learn about the uses of acids, base एंड सॉल्ट. इन सब के आपको यूजेस पता होने चाहिए. ठीक है, जैसे बेस हम सोप यूज़ करते हैं तो सोप इज़ ऑल्सो यूजेबल फॉर अस फॉर द बेरिंग पर्पस. ठीक है, डिश वॉश. एंड सेकेंड थिंग एज अ टूथपेस्ट. डेली लाइफ में हम बहुत सी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल विनेगर, वी यूज़ विनेगर फॉर इन मेकिंग पिकल्स, अचार बनाते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, टैमरिंड यूज़ करते हैं, कर्ड यूज़ करते हैं. सो दीज ऑल आर यूजफुल फॉर अस एंड you need to write it in your own language and the tables are given in your book Basic Science. Go through those tables and there are given uses of these acids, base and salts. Now question number 3. So question number 3 we have, what are mineral acids? Mineral acids are those which are stronger in nature and they have higher concentration of acids in them. हायर कंसनट्रेशन, उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है. हायर कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ एसिड्स इन दैम. ठीक है, हायर कंसनट्रेशन होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अब हमारे पास एग्जांपल्स आपको पता होंगे, नाइट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड HCl. नाइट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, H2SO4. Yesterday also I told you that sulfuric acid is the king of acids. Sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, that is called HCl. These are the example. Any two you can write but you must learn the three. Then next we have question number 4. Complete the table given below. So how to complete this table? Name the substance. First of all, these are the substances here given: acetic acid, fizzy drinks, lactic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid and formic acid. What you have to write in front of them: type of natural acid or mineral acid. Mineral means stronger in nature and those are mainly made by the human in laboratory. Then source, उनका source क्या है, from where we get them. So first of all, acetic acid. Acetic acid is a natural acid and we get it from the विनेगर. yesterday I told you विनेगर, सिरका जो हमारा होता है घर पे यूज़ करते हैं. फिजी ड्रिंक्स, तो फिजी ड्रिंक्स जो होती है आपकी, उनमें कौन सा एसिड होता है? उसमें आपके पास होता है सिट्रिक एसिड या फिर फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. सिट्रिक एसिड होता है, जो स्प्राइट पीते हो आप, ड्यू पीते हो, उसमें सिट्रिक एसिड होता है. एंड जो कोका कोला है, कोक है, पेप्सी है, इसमें फॉस्फोरिक एसिड होता है. यू कैन सी द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स रिटन ऑन द फिजी ड्रिंक्स. बॉटल में जो थोड़े से तीखे लगते हैं हमें, उनको फिजी ड्रिंक्स बोलते हैं. माजा हो गया, स्लाइस हो गया, ये फिजी ड्रिंक नहीं है, दैट आर सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स. और सिट्रिक एसिड, इसका सोर्स क्या है आपके पास? लेमन है. ठीक है, लेमन इज द सोर्स ऑफ इट. सो फिजी ड्रिंक्स क्या है हमारी? फिजी ड्रिंक्स, फॉस्फोरिक जो एसिड है दैट इज़ मैन मेड, वो मिनरल में भी आ जाता है. एंड बट सिट्रिक एसिड जो है वो है आपका नेचुरल एसिड. ओके, नेचुरल एसिड. सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ सिट्रिक फिजी ड्रिंक यू विल राइट नेचुरल एज वेल एज मिनरल, बट जनरली इट इज़ नेचुरल, क्योंकि ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड हम नहीं पी सकते बिकॉज दैट कॉज द बर्निंग. वो बर्न कॉज करता है हमारी बॉडी में. तो इसको नेचुरल ही लिखना है आपने फिजी ड्रिंक को. एसिटिक एसिड ऑल्सो नेचुरल. यू थिंक दैट विच एसिड वी कैन इनटेक, जो हम खा सकते हैं वो होते हैं आपके नेचुरल एसिड्स. ठीक है, लैक्टिक एसिड ऑल्सो नेचुरल एंड वी गेट इट फ्रॉम द कर्ड. सिट्रिक एसिड लेमन से मिलता है आपको, और भी बहुत सी चीज़ें, सिट्रस फ्रूट हो गए, इन सभी से सिट्रस एसिड मिलता है. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is also natural acid and we get it from the tamarind and grapes as well as citrus fruit, apple, और भी बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है. ठीक है, बट मेनली आप ये लिख सकते हो. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव फॉर्मिक एसिड. फॉर्मिक एसिड आई टोल्ड यू इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन आंट स्टिंग. तो आंट क्या एक नेचुरल थिंग है, सो दैट वाई इट इज़ ऑल्सो फाउंड इन it is also a natural acid because it is found in the ant venom. ant sting बोल सकते हो, venom बोल सकते हो. ठीक है, and bee venom में होता है, wasp venom में होता है. yesterday also I told this. So next we have question number 5. Write 2 general property of acidic substance. So you need to write the 2 acidic substance properties. So what are those? They are sour in nature. SOUR, sour. वो खट्टे होते हैं and they turn blue litmus into red. Blue to red. जो blue litmus paper होता है उसको red में change कर देते हैं. और भी आप लिख सकते हो but 2 mainly आपने लिखनी है. Then name 3 mineral acid. This I already told you. Nitric acid, sulfuric acid and HCl, hydrochloric acid. The next questions we have, what happens when magnesium is burnt in the presence of oxygen and the product obtained is added to water. So आपके पास क्या दे रहा है वो magnesium. Understand it like this: water, oxygen and water. आपने अब मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का अगर फॉर्मूला आपको याद है मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया का, so that is MgOH2. Okay, so what will you get? सिंपली आपने निकाल लेना है, कोई फॉर्मूला लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें आपको. MgOH2 मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड you will get when the magnesium is burnt in the presence of oxygen and the product is obtained is added to water. ठीक है, Mg plus O2. तो आप सीधा ले लो, मैग्नीशियम को बर्न किया इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, MgO आ जाता है और इसको इसमें ऐड कर देना है. ठीक है, देन an acid and a base is reacted. When an acid and base, suppose I am taking acid HCl plus base I am taking NaOH, then what I will get? NaCl, right? and H2 हो गए and O. सो क्या मिला हमें? NaCl क्या है आपका सॉल्ट, NaCl plus water. So when acid base is reacted they will give you salt and water. ठीक है, this is the answer of this question. When an acid and base is reacted it give us salt and water and you can even show them how. ठीक है, this is for example you can write there. Next, blue litmus is added to vinegar. अगर आप blue litmus को vinegar में add करो, vinegar is the citric acid, so blue litmus will turn red. Lemon juice is added to baking soda. Lemon juice is added to baking soda. So first of all understand what is lemon juice and what is baking soda. Yesterday I told you weak acid react with strong base. तो weak acid है आपका यहाँ पे lemon juice. Weak acid react with the strong base and it will give you strong salt. ठीक है, more basic salt देगा वो आपको. strong salt means strong basic salt, but उतना ज़्यादा बेसिक नहीं होगा, उसकी थोड़ी सी हमने बेसिसिटी को डिक्रीज कर दिया, उसको उसके पीएच लेवल को डिक्रीज कर दिया बेसिक से. ठीक है, बाय एडिंग लेमन जूस एंड इट विल गिव यू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टू। अगर आप लेमन जूस को बेकिंग सोडा पे डालोगे इट विल गिव इफर्वेसेंस, जो बुलबुले से उठेंगे उसमें से, एंड दैट शोज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। और बाय एडिंग लेमन जूस इनटू बेकिंग सोडा वी रिड्यूस इट्स pH लेवल। इसका pH लेवल बहुत हाई होता है बेसिसिटी में, बेसिक होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, उसको डिक्रीज करने के लिए हम इसमें लेमन जूस डालते हैं, ठीक है, एंड इट विल गिव यू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड in more amount. Then next, what are indicators? So students, this we have discussed yesterday. Examples also I told you, and why do we use indicator, this also I told you. Indicators are the substance that we use to check the acidity and basicity of the substance or given solution, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लिटमस पेपर, चाइना रोज जूस, cabbage juice and turmeric juice, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, these all are the indicators. They can be artificial and they can be natural. Then why do we use indicators? I told to check the basicity and acidity of the substance. Then what are neutral substance? So neutral, as the name indicate, these substance are neither acidic nor basic. Okay, the next question we have, ammonia is used in many of the household products like window cleaner. It turns red litmus to blue. I told you red to blue happens in the case of basic, when the substance is basic. So its nature क्या हुआ, what is the property of ammonia? Then it is basic in nature. This is the answer of this question. Now next we have, what cause acidity in stomach? What cause acidity in stomach, and why does doctor recommend an antacid as a person suffering from acidity? So stomach में acidity कब होती है या acidity कब हो जाती है हमें? We have acidity when the HCl level is increased in our stomach. And why does doctor recommend antacid? So doctor recommend antacid to neutralize the acidity. Acidity को neutralize करने के लिए डॉक्टर antacid यूज alkaline solution देता है हमें, जनरली milk of magnesia, या आपके पास एक नाम है जेलोसिल, वो भी डॉक्टर देते हैं, वो भी एक antacid है. ओके, सो ये हो गया आज का हमारा one worksheet complete, and the last worksheet which is left, that we will discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow is holiday although, but I will send you the worksheet and you will go through that. That is the main work, that is also constitute the same questions related to acids and base, and most of the important questions we have covered. If you have doubts and queries, you can WhatsApp me either, and you can ask on Google Meet. And today Google Meet will be at 12 o'clock sharply, so everyone must be present in the Google Meet. Thank you very much.